Hey guys, programming time here. So today we're going to be learning about operators in Python. So first of all, what I mean by operators, addition, division, multiplication, and subtraction. So first of all, asterisk means I recommend you to screenshot your screen so that you could go to them afterwards. So asterisk to multiply, / to divide, subtraction sign to subtract, and addition sign to add. So let me give you a couple of examples. Print 5 asterisk 10, that means 5 times 10. So if I run it, it would equal 50. So it would just print sum of your equation. And then let me give you another example with division. 100 divided by 50. And then I'll give you another example. Print 100 minus 50. And my last example would be print 50 plus 50. So let me just run our code. And there you have it. 5 times 10 equals 50, 100 divided by 50 equals 2, 100 minus 50 equals 50, and 50 plus 50 equals 100. And bye.